Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. From the past few days, I am receiving a lot of comments related to Anna University results, Anna University discrepancies related to marks, equivalent certificate and all. So guys, I am going to give the information whatever I have till now in this particular video. So please don't skip this video till the end because this one video will really help you to complete your application status. Excel batch for droppers, JEE Mains and Advanced 2022 is starting from today, 29 September. These are all the faculty. Link for this particular batch is in the description, and you can also use my code Charan while enrolling to any of the batch and taking subscription. You will get 10% instant discount on all subscriptions at Unacademy. And soon the prices are going to rise from October 1st, so you can see the difference between the price before hike and after hike. So if anyone of your friends or relatives going to take subscription at Unacademy, ask them to take before October 1st so that they will miss the price hike. And they can also use my code Charan for extra 10% discount. So if you see guys, I am here at the Anna University main website. Just you can see application status of other state BE, B.Tech, BR. So just click that. After clicking that, you will be taken to here. On the left you can see important points. So they said that please enter your application number, date of birth and registered email ID. So here to logging in. So you are required to verify the marks in maths, physics and chemistry. So this is one of the most important thing. Every one of you to must and should do that. If you miss doing this, your application will be cancelled. Ultimately you will not get seat in Anna University even though your marks are really good. Okay. So please forward this video to all the friends who applied for Anna University so that they also don't miss this process. So just enter the application number, so then date of birth and registered mail and click on submit. So now I will be doing that. So after clicking submit, you will be taken to this particular page. So above the details are there. That is why I am not showing the details. So you see guys, here you will be having maximum marks of 10th standard total marks, 12th standard total marks, math subject marks, physics subject marks, chemistry subject marks. Here you can see nothing is there. For if you have no issues, if you don't have also no issues. Reason is they have mentioned it here. See remarks. Submit scanned readable copies of mark sheet. So whatever mark sheets he submitted, they were unable to readable. So that's the reason they can't able to enter the marks here. So that is the reason they have kept it blank and they have kept in the remarks. And he didn't submitted the permanent residence certificate. They said permanent residence certificate from competent other state is required. He should submit that and uploaded only 10th and 12th grade sheet. So usually CGPA system will be there, right? Equivalent marks are required. So usually many of the states don't have equivalent marks. I don't know Anna University people why they are asking this. So try to find equivalent marks from your college principal or some or the other way. Even I don't have any idea related to that. So once try there. If you get them, okay. If you don't get, just write in the mail that in our state there won't be any equivalent mark certificate given to our grade sheets. Only this is the only thing we have. So like that you can give them. So that's what you can do. So of course, right, something is better than nothing. If you don't do this, your application status will be cancelled. And see guys, you need to submit whatever they asked in remarks. You have to do that before 29th. That means before today. And if at all they are asking you something related to certificate submission, so you have to mail them here, like mention your name and application number for sure in that mail. So for this student, they are asking readable, so perfect original readable documents for mark sheet. And one more is residence certificate. So he has to mail those things to this particular mail ID. So if equivalent certificate is also there, he can also add that to this mail and mention application number and name in that particular mail. So if in case you are asked to forward certain documents, forward the same to AUOS ANNAUniv.edu immediately. And in case of any discrepancies, forward your request to. So if you have any doubt also, you can mail them and ask. So related to that, so I will show you mail. So he said that dear sir, I have uploaded the marks during the application, so why these marks are blank here? So what feedback I should submit? Of course here his marks are not given. How can he say my marks are correct? So in that case he should submit the feedback as no and click on submit. Everyone must submit this feedback before today. So that is what the important thing. And see he have already submitted a mail to them. So what they said is, so in case you are asked to submit any documents, forward it to so and so mail mentioning your application number and name. That's what they said. So now what he has to do, so whatever documents they asked, he need to submit, as well as his marks are not correct here. So he will submit, I have verified the marks and found that to be correct. Means no and submit. And if your marks are right, whatever mentioned here are right, then you can click on yes and then submit. So that's what you have to do. So complete this process as soon as possible today. So if any one of your friend applied Anna University, forward this video to them and ask them to complete this, because if they miss this, so they are not going to get seat in Anna University even though their marks are good. And at the end, many students are asking me related to the like results of Anna University or the state quota. So first and foremost, they are completing these application statuses. So once they verify each and every candidate's marks and everything, after everything gets finalized, so results will be released. So we have to wait until this particular process completes. So that's it guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.